guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming to the show today. We are going to do some Halloween crafts. So I have these little pumpkins that I got from the Dollar Tree. Sorry, she wants a toy. So I have 5 of these and we're going to obviously, bling them out, and then we're gonna put some faces on them, and then we're going to stack them like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, and glue them together, and we're gonna make like a kind of a weird Halloween sculpture, and then I'm gonna put it on my front porch. Okay, so that is what we're gonna do today, and I will be back with some pictures of the supplies that you are going to need. All right, so we'll see you in just a minute. Hey guys, I just got home from work and I wanted to show you that I did start working on the pumpkins. So I made this dude, and I made this crazy looking guy, and this guy. Okay, so those 3 are done, and wow, man, look at these bags, you guys. Holy sheep shit, that's horrible. Ooh, sorry. So anyway, you guys can now watch me and my horrible drawing skills while I do these last 2. We'll do them together. Don't make fun of me. I'm not the greatest, but I do my best. Okay, so I'll see you in just a minute, all right? Cool. Okay, here we go. I hope you guys don't mind my Drama Llama PJs. So for this one, I think we're just gonna do some triangles for the eyes. All right, and then, oops, that's crooked, that's all right, fix it. Okay, okay, okay. So this is what we have. And then let's do a nice wide grin, and let's just make it all teeth. Let's give him a big one here. Oh. Yeah, and this one can be big too. What do you guys think? Is that all right? Good enough? Okay. All right. Okay, so now this is our last one. This one is gonna have some big round eyes. Okay. What the hell is going on with my light? Alright. And then he will get a triangle nose. Kind of looks like he's got some boogers, and that's alright. Is this thing too hot? Oh, it's super ass hot. Okay. We're just gonna do the rest without the light. Okay. And then let's see, we're gonna do a tooth, and then a tooth, and then a tooth, and you're all right, BB. You're okay. Okay, so that's it. Now they're all done, and we can get started on our next part, which is going to be the glitter. All right, our next part is glitter. So I already went ahead and I did the top of all of them with this green glitter glue, and then I used black for the eyes and the nose, and I don't know if you can see it, but red on 2 of the teeth. Now, as you can see, the glitter glue kind of dripped. Not here, because it had this base, but this one did, and I think it looks fine to me. You know, it looks kind of creepy, so I'm gonna leave it. But in the future, I'm gonna use Mod Podge and see how that works. Then I also went around and gave him some black stripes. Okay, so then I did this one too. All right, but I didn't use the glitter glue on the eyes. Well, I did, but it's a different one. It's this green one. And then I went through and just kind of, oh shit, it's still wet. Anyways, yeah, so I just gave them some squiggles and some lines, and God damn it. This stuff takes forever to dry too. Okay, so there's that one. Now, for the other ones, like I said, I want to try to use Mod Podge. So if you don't know what that is, this is it, okay? And then I have this like baby shit green glitter, this rust color, and then a gold. And then I have my paint brushes. I don't know which one I'm going to use yet, but it'll be a small one. So we're going to start on that next, if you want to follow along, okay? So I have this brush I'm going to use. I got a little bit of Mod Podge on there, Mod Podge, whatever. So I'm going to start over here, and we're just going to do kind of a thick line. All right, we'll do another one, and then we'll put some glitter on here just to see if it's gonna drip like the other, but I don't think that it will. All right, so let me go get a plate or something to put under here. Hold on. So I found this lid type thing, and we're gonna go with this baby shit green and see what we get. Well, you know what? I gotta say, I like it better already. Hell yeah. So here it is. And I like that a lot better. I might actually go over the other ones with this instead. So I think we should also do a little something for his eyes while we're at it. So we will give him some glitter green eyes. Actually, you know what? Let's give him a green nose. And we'll give him some gold eyes. Okay, and then we'll just come back through later and clean that up. What do you think? I like it. Probably gonna have to do something with that mouth, so I'll think about it and we'll come back to it. So for this one, I decided I'm gonna do like a zigzag look, and then I haven't decided what color I'll use on this one yet. All right, again, I don't want to bore you too much with this, so we'll come back in a minute. Not perfect, but I can go back and clean it up a little bit. But I like it, you know, for the most part. On this guy, we're just gonna do some straight lines, and we're gonna use this rust color. And I wanted to come back, oh shit, I want to come back on here and say that it is best to do a couple of these lines of glue and then come back over it with your glitter instead of doing the whole thing and then the glitter, because on that last one I did, I noticed it had already dried in some spots, so I had to go back over it. Okay, just a word of advice. I did go ahead and give this guy some blood on his mouth and some bloody teeth. Okay, so I think that guy's probably good for now. Then I gave this guy a gold tooth, and now I'm gonna give this guy some orange, like glowing eyes, if you will, or if you won't. Oh, geez. So for this one, we're gonna give him some gold eyes and some red teeth. I know. The gold eyes. So now we're going to stack these. I have my E6000, and I've got this Drippy Dude. And I'm just gonna grab, who's this? No, I don't want this guy. We're gonna take this guy and put him next. There, right? That's probably pretty good. Okay, so they'll just hang out like that for now. And let me ask you guys something. Do you know where a manatee's nipples are? I'll wait. No? Okay. They're in their armpits. I just thought I'd share that with you. You know, fun little animal fact. And maybe I'll start throwing some of those in there every episode. Yeah, armpits. So when we come back, we'll do another one. Okay? Cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and do this next one. Okay guys, it's all done, it's dried, so here's our finished product. I don't think it looks too bad, I'm kind of happy with it. So I hope that you guys had fun with me today on the show. I thank you as always for coming, and I hope that you will like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I also hope that you have a fabulous freaking day.